Hello all my yarny friends, I'm Sara Sach. Welcome back to my crochet channel. Now today's video is our first this and that video of 2025. And if you don't know what that is, basically I just ask you a question that has to do with yarn or crochet or patterns or crochet hooks or something like that. And it has to do with questions that I've received that people want answered. And then I tried my best to give you what my opinion is. And then you have your opportunity to leave a comment down in those comment section underneath this video. That gives you opportunity to give your opinion. And remember, on our this and that videos, there are no wrong answers because not everybody does everything the same. We're all at a different place in our crochet journey. Some of us are beginners. Some of us have been crocheting for many, many years, but don't know some of the things that our beginners know. And so we can learn from each other. So what I've decided to do for 2025 is to go back to a lot of the things we've already talked about because I still get questions on these things. And so we're going to kind of go back to some basics and also some new stuff. And remember, if you have a question that you can't find the answer to concerning what we're talking about, not why is the sky blue and why is the grass green, okay? Because I don't know. But if you have any questions that you think I might be able to answer, feel free to put those down in that comment section as well. And I'll do my best to find you an answer or give you an answer. All right, so what is today's topic? Well, I've gotten a lot of questions again lately about why do I write a pattern, make a video of it, do the pictures, post in both places, and why do I do this? It seems like it's redundant. Well, it can seem that way, but some people like a written pattern, some people like a written pattern with pictures, and some people prefer a video. And then there's people like me who like a video and a written pattern with pictures to follow along with. And so I try to do all of those things. Now, I understand that some people just don't like reading patterns or they're so confusing, but I'll be honest with you. I really try really hard to make my patterns clear and easy to understand. I know years and years ago, it was all about tons of complicated techniques. And I don't want my patterns to be that way. And so what I decided to do today is just show you a written pattern, show you the video, not the video itself, but where it's at, and talk about this blanket that's behind me. So here is my YouTube channel. I'm showing you on my iPad, Sara Sach Crochet Designs. And I'm going to just move up here. And you can see it puts some of my latest and newest patterns up front. And we're going to talk about this one right here, our anniversary cake pattern. All right, so I'm going to click on that. I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to pause it because we don't need that silly commercial. But what I want to show you is underneath this video right here, it says more. Sometimes, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Sometimes when you're looking at it on a phone or a different device, instead of saying more, there'll just be a little black arrow or a little red arrow. Well, when you click that, on my iPad it comes up over here, but on my computer and on my phone it's down at the bottom. And the reason this is important is because the first thing you'll see here is this crochet pattern link. All right, so I'm going to click that. All right, there we go. Now it's asking me how I want to go. I'm on my iPad, so I'm going to go Safari. All right, and then what happens is it goes over to my blog. And there you have the complete written pattern with lots of extra information and pictures. Okay, here's all the information that you need. Here's lots of pictures. And then also possibility if you want to buy a pattern that doesn't have any ads in it, because of course, on a blog, you're going to have some of these silly little ads, and you can purchase it if you want to as a download, but you don't have to. You can just follow along with the blog if you want to. All right. Now, I always try to emphasize this because this will give you the opportunity to see the pictures. So what I have here is just that first page where it gives all the information of what you need in the pattern, or what you need to work up the pattern. Now, all this information as far as the yarn and the needle, the crochet hook, stitches, this is all done in the video as well. But if you're wanting specifics, like for instance, here's the size, 45 by 66 inches, but maybe you want to work the multiples. Or maybe you want to know 1 row equals 1 inch. 6 chains equal 3.5 inches. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet. The swatch we're using is a 30 foundation double crochet swatch. Okay? And so it's a good idea that once you go to the video, click that link underneath where I showed you, and you can get all the information that you want just like that, so you have it and know ahead of time. The reason this is important is the number 3 questions that I get when someone sees one of my videos and they want to make it, and we're talking about this blanket behind me, but this is on any video. I'm telling you, the first question I get is, what hook did you use? And I always say it in the video, but if you don't want to wait through and find it, you can click that link underneath the video. It'll take you straight over to the blog, and you can go, oh, there's the hook. The second question is, how much yarn did you use and what yarn did you use? Same thing. Click that link. It'll shoot you over to the blog, and you can see there's the crochet hook, there's the yarn that she used. And the third question is there a written pattern? And again, I do try to stress in all my videos that I do a written pattern with pictures to help you. Because sometimes when I'm filming a video, I try to give you as much information as I can, but sometimes I forget that the things that I already know how to do, you may not. And you may know things that I don't know. But either way, if you want some quick information, but you don't have time to watch the video, click that link, because I always try to put a link underneath my videos, because I always, for the last 5 or 6 years, when I make a video, I have a written pattern with lots of pictures and helps to help you. And you're like, oh, I love that blanket, but I just want to know the information real quick. Click underneath the video. It'll take you straight to that blog, and you can go right there and look. Oh, there it is right there. It even tells you stitches and multiples and all of those things. Because my goal is to make your crocheting time fun, easy, sometimes quick, but also enjoyable. Because crochet is a wonderful art, and I don't want you being frustrated. And so to answer the question, why do I do a written pattern? Why do I do photos? Why do I do a blog? It's because we all learn in different ways. Some of us are more visual. Some of us can read a pattern and understand. And some of us can just watch the video and just whip it right up. And so it's an opportunity to have more people enjoy our art of crochet. Well, thanks for being with me today, and I hope I answered your questions. And remember, comment down in the comment section. Ask a question if you need to, and I'll do what I can to answer that question. And if I don't have an answer, I'll try to find you one. So I'll see you next time on this or that, or maybe the other thing. Bye-bye now.